Teachers, we want to help you develop successful readers. With CSI Literacy, we've created resources that will help your students learn how to learn. CSI Chapters is a collection of short books designed to develop students' reading stamina and world knowledge. We want to show you how you can use CSI Chapters in your classroom. Let's go! When it comes to reading with CSI Chapters, you've got options. The texts are flexible and can be used for shared or independent reading. But CSI Chapters are perfect for guided reading. You'll need the teacher's guide and a chapter book. The chapter books span 3-year levels. CSI Chapters come as printed books and as ebooks, which include videos, pop-up glossaries, and digital tools. After guided reading, students complete a graphic organizer. There's a unique graphic organizer for each text. You'll find the graphic organizers in the teacher's guide. Students can complete the organizers individually or in pairs. This is a great opportunity to reinforce their learning and record it so they have written evidence of their own progress. And there it is. In no time at all, you've helped your students become purposeful, critical, and independent readers. Want to get started? Simply order online now or give us a call.